Let's take a quick look at this biology question. This question we are asked: the transportation of oxygen and carbon dioxide in mammals is carried out by the following. Which one is responsible for what? The transport of what? Oxygen and carbon dioxide. We have leukocyte, thrombocyte, phagocyte, and erythrocyte. Now, all these ones are what? They are groups of what? Blood. Remember, the blood is divided into two components. We have the blood cells and we have the plasma. The blood cells is divided, that is the solid part is the blood cell, while the liquid part of the blood is what? Called the plasma. Now, the blood cell, which is the solid part, is divided into three major components or three major types. We have the red, we have the white, and we have the what? We have the platelets. These are the three major types of blood cells. Okay, that is the solid part of the blood. Now, this red blood cell is also called erythrocyte. Erythrocyte. The white blood cell is also called the leukocyte. And the blood platelet is called the thrombocyte. Now, if a person lacks red blood cell, the person will be said to be what? Anemic. When you hear of anemia, anemia is what? The person lack what? Lack red blood cell. When a person lack white blood cell, the person is said to be what? Leukemia. When you hear of leukemia, leukemia is what? The person lacks what? White blood cell. Why this one is as a result of hemophilia. Hemophilia is the inability of a blood to clot. So the major function of this red blood cell is what? Transportation of oxygen and carbon dioxide. Majorly oxygen, transport of oxygen around the body is what? Red blood cell. This one is responsible for the fighting of infection. Anything about fighting. So its entire life is fighting. So what defends the body from any external pathogen is what? Is white blood cell. Why this one is the one that helps in blood clotting. Okay. Now, let's look at the various options. Leukocyte is what? Look at leukocyte, white blood cell, which is what? Involved in what? In defense, the body defense. Thrombocyte, look at thrombocyte. This one is responsible for blood clotting. Okay. Phagocyte is a special type of blood cell in this leukocyte. Leukocyte produce what we call phagocyte. We have the neutrophils, we have the basophils. They are special types of what? Leukocyte. Okay, so this one they helps in what? Like this phagocyte, it helps in engulfing pathogen and send them out of the cell. Okay, so now erythrocyte, which is what? This one is the one that performs the function of transportation of oxygen and carbon dioxide in our body system. So the answer is what? Erythrocyte. For more of this video, do well to like, share, and comment. Follow for more.